Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak, CM Trading. So what a week it's been. Quite crazy in the markets this week. A lot happening. Let's start with the economic calendar for Friday. Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. Today is September 5th, 2014, and today is Friday. So crazy week in the markets this week, across the board almost. Looking at today's just economic calendar, just for today, we have major news coming out of Canada, unemployment and interest rates at 2:30 South African time, and also at 2:30 non-farm payroll coming out of the United States, major number. So I would definitely be in front of my computer for that. And then later, it's just the unemployment change at 2:30 as well, South African time. So looking at the Euro USD, what a debacle. We're looking at a 1-hour chart, looking at an 8-hour chart. We're talking about 193 pips down just this week. So like we said, it looked like it was going to consolidate right here. It broke this level right here at 133,487. And then we're under 130. Major, major, major number. I think this is a low of the year, definitely. Looking at even last year, we're a little bit lower than last summer. So major retracement. There is a little bit of a support at 128. Further support at 122, 121. But you see how harsh this thing came down and how quickly it came down. So that's something really to consider. After this massive move down, I'd really look for some sort of short covering, a spike up, just to see if it'll actually fruit. So keep that in front of you. Looking at the GBP USD, this has really been the weakest currency in the markets, down over 274 pips just this week. As you all know, it rallied thousands of pips up, but on the way down, it's really coming down very quickly. So just keep an eye on it. Let's see if it can consolidate at this level. It looks like a good level to pick it up because there's previous support on a daily chart. So I would really consider this moving forward and something to consider. Looking at the US Swiss franc, big rally this morning. Let's see if it can continue this, sustain this rally. If we're looking at an 8-hour chart, we'll see that it's continuously going up, and very, very strong. The USD is the Swiss franc. Swiss franc is actually being clobbered here. Dollar finding itself in much stronger levels around these spots. Looking at the gold quickly, we're trading lower a little bit at 1263. It has been trading, like we said yesterday, took this dive, took this second dive, and now we're holding at 1263. There is support at 1250. Okay, as you'll see down here at 1245, 1250 area. So that's the next level I would say I would need to hold. Okay. But again, it's range trading, so it's a little bit difficult to trade the gold right now unless it was trending. Looking at the Dow Jones, still trading in a range, not going up higher, not going lower, but it is still trading. So, at these levels, I would really just play just the range. Short the top, buy a little bit on the bottom, and just make sure that you have very tight stops so that you can control the downside. So looking for next week, a lot of opportunities next week as things have really picked up. I told you the first week of September, and that's when the major financial players come out. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a nice weekend. Thank you.